Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about CommBank and the services it provides. CommBank, or the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, is a major financial institution with a strong presence in Australia and other parts of the world. It's one of the largest banks in Australia, offering a wide range of financial products and services to individuals, businesses, and institutions. For personal customers, CommBank provides everything from everyday transaction accounts and savings accounts to credit cards, home loans, and personal loans. They also offer a variety of insurance products, including home, car, and travel insurance, as well as wealth management services like superannuation and investments. For businesses, CommBank offers tailored banking solutions. This includes business transaction accounts, business loans, merchant services for accepting payments, and financial advice. They also cater to larger corporations and institutional clients with more complex financial needs. A key focus for CommBank is its digital banking. The CommBank app and NetBank online platform are central to their services, allowing customers to easily manage their finances, pay bills, track spending, and even set up savings goals directly from their phones or computers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.